There are two gauges on your air compressor's manifold. One measures the pressure in the air tank, and the other the pressure from the regulator. After years of use, the gauge can quit working, usually due to corrosion or debris. The gauges can be accidentally broken if something falls on the compressor. Replacing the gauge is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before I start any disassembly of the tank or the pump components, I'll want to go ahead and drain any air out of the tank that might still be in it. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. With the cover removed from the manifold, now I can go ahead and remove the gauge. The new gauge already has thread sealant, so I'll just screw it into place. Now I can reinstall the cover. I'll align the manifold with the cover and secure it with the screws. And I'll secure the cover back to the air compressor with the screws. I like to install all the screws loosely to start with, and then I'll tighten them up.